Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how we cut up a chicken in the Caribbean. Alright, so I just showed you how we would cut our chicken. We would cut them at the joint. I just showed you snippets of it. So what I mean is the joint here, you would cut it here. It will be an easy smooth cut from the leg. So you have your leg and your thigh. Alright, so I will just show you now how I do it. I leave one to show you. You would cut on the joint right here. So it'll be an easy cut. You cut the joint there. You have your sharp knife, and it should be smooth sailing. Shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. Okay? Make sure once you have a sharp knife, make sure and hold it properly. So that's yourself. There I cut it, and this is what you have, a nice clean cut. And you could remove the skin when I am seasoning chicken, unless it's a barbecue and I want it, or frying and I want it, I would leave the skin on, but typically I would remove the skin from on the chicken. As you all know, most of my videos on this channel is about healthy eating and that kind of thing, and we all know the skin is not healthy for us if we are trying to lose weight or maintain weight, at least not regularly. Alright, so once that is done, I am also going to make some curry chicken, so that would be another video. So with this part, the breast, this is how we normally cut it, like in four, and that's it. But I am not going to do that. Well, that's what I'm saying. I'm not doing it. I'm going to butterfly this chicken, and I am going to make some nice either patties with this. I am not sure if I'm going to make a butterfly chicken or make patties with it. I'm not sure. The back, I am going to make sure it is cleaned properly, and that is going to cut into 4 pieces. Cut it down the center like you are seeing there. Again, I am working with a very sharp knife. I am a left-hander, and for some reason I set up the camera on that side instead of the other side. I don't know why. Like for a minute I forgot I was a left-hander. So I'm just showing you, because at that point I realized, shims, I have the camera in the wrong place. But anyway, cutting it down, and I'm going to cut that in 2 and the other piece in 2. Therefore I have 4 pieces. You know, again, you can cut them even smaller and get 8 pieces, but that is basically bone there. And my favorite part of the chicken is the back, the neck, the leg, and the wing. So once you cut that down there, you have your 4 pieces, and you move on to the next. And we also use the foot, the chicken foot. You can make chicken foot sauce. You could stew it with your chicken while you're cooking, or cook it with your chicken. We also eat the liver. Some people do eat the heart, but I don't eat the heart, and I don't eat the gizzard. What I'm showing you there now is to clean out all of the fat and guts from the inside there. Make sure it is clean, and you're going to pass it under the water. But that is not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is basically to show you how we cut a chicken up in Trinidad. Yeah? Alright, so from this point on, I am just going to speed it along so we could finish up. So this is the thigh from the leg. Now I'm showing you here that you can cut this into 2, but I am not. We're going to leave it as is, and we're going to do that with the both. So let's go over the chicken. This is the chicken foot that I was previously talking about. We're going to clean inside of there. Make sure and cut all of that out properly. I also left a toenail for me to show you how we remove the toenails. But sadly I was out of angle. Basically I rested down flat and removed the toenail. And the wing, I'm showing you that I remove it at the joint as well. The chicken neck, I remove it from the back just before I cut off the back. And that's it. This is the liver. It's cleaned. And we have all of our pieces. Now I am going to just wash them and clean them. The skin and the fat and the guts I remove. I'm going to make a cook for my dogs with it. And this is the gizzard and the heart I was talking about. we typically don't use that. Well, I typically don't use that. And that's it. And the seasoning that I'm going to use to season up all of this chicken would be the seasoning in my yard. So as I said, I was going to make a curry chicken. So this is some of the seasonings that I picked from. I have some rosemary, I have basil, I have thyme, I have tarragon, and some small thyme, right? And I'm going to add all the other ingredients that I have, which is bandania, ginger, garlic. Into my blender, I'm adding my tarragon vinegar that I made and all of the seasoning that I just mentioned, and I also added some curry leaves to this, and I'm going to give this a good blend, and then we're going to add it to our chicken and also add some salt. I didn't add the salt while blending. Normally that is how we do it, but I didn't. I just added the salt after, mix everything in and place it on our chicken and mix it into the chicken thoroughly and let that marinate. I typically season my chicken a day or two before I am ready to use it. And there you have it. That is how easy to cut up a chicken. Or basically, that is how easy we in the Caribbean, Trinidad and Tobago, cut up our chicken on a daily basis to prep for seasoning and for whichever way we choose to cook our chicken, and in the process or whatever meal we decide to cook with it, we cut it down even smaller. So don't forget while you're here to check out all my other recipes that I have for you all to enjoy. Thanks for stopping by and have a good one. Bye.